Hello everyone, this is Phoebe from ACNTRUCK vehicle sales company. Here I will introduce a special machine, a SHANTUI Bulldozer SD22. Here behind us is 222 hip Bulldozer SD22. First, let's see the cab. It adopts standard cab, one sleeper and air conditioning, providing a comfortable working environment for driver. The important information is clearly shown in the central instrument panel. Some spare parts also in the cab. There is Cummins engine, water-cooled 4-cycle, overhand valve direct injection, and it has hydraulically connected gearbox. The ripper type is 3-tooth ripper. This is all contents of our today. We have exporting excavator, bulldozer, pump truck for more than 120 countries. If you have any machines requirements, please contact us at any time. Thanks for listening.